And it's like, how do you have a truck but you don't know how to push it? Bruh! And you lucky I'm turning. This fool done threw on they hazards. You're lucky I'm turning.
Every day I wake up like a boss and I be thinking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need them. We been saying we up next for.
Hey guys, what's up? We are vlogging. Hey. I do have a couple things I'm doing today, not too much. You guys know I live in Chicago, so it's extremely cold. It is literally like 10 degrees outside, but I decided I'm going to take my butt outside for a little while. So I'm literally getting the last of myself together. I hope my lashes are looking decent. I hope so. And yeah, I actually need to go start this car, warm it up so we can hop on the road. We are heading to the South Loop for a little while today, and I'm probably gonna get some lunch. Girl, this is my lip combination for the day. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Nude Venus with her peach lip gloss. Girl, giving, period. Let's go ahead and get out of here so we don't already be as late as we already are. Okay, so I just stopped for some gas, got a bottle of wine for where me and my friend are going, period. So I wanted to get some champagne, but I am running behind schedule, so I did not have time to even go like stop at like an actual liquor store that would have like, you know, more of a selection. You know, we had to go to a gas station and make it work. It says we are about 20 minutes away, so that is not far at all. Hopefully parking's not too bad, because seriously, like parking in Chicago during the winter is a headache. You would get your car towed just as fast as you parked it, okay? Oh my God, can you drive? There is no ice on the road. It is salted, honey. It is such a vibe. The glasses should be clean. I like cleaned them before I left the house. Got my friend, look at my bestie. I'm getting the milk and honey.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I...
Snowing out here, and yo, it's that Chicago life, you guys. That Chicago life, you know. You can try to be as cute as you want to, but the snow is gonna come. Hey, my song. You know, can't be singing songs. YouTube be flagging stuff now. We are about to head to go get some food. We are starving. Like, y'all, my stomach is literally growling. It's literally growling. I'm like starving. So I'm gonna tell y'all like a little fun fact about me. But your girl don't eat seafood. I am not a seafood eater. I don't eat no type of seafood. I have tried it many of times, but it's just not for me. Let me tell you something. A lot of people in Chicago have trucks just because of, you know, of the weather. Like, you know, it snows here. And it's like, how do you have a truck but you don't know how to push it? Bruh! And you lucky I'm turning. This fool done threw on they hazards. You're lucky I'm turning. Oh, it's not crowded. It just looks that way because everybody's parked like hella dumb.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm in the parking lot. I'm parked.
Okay, you could go in. I'm literally 2 minutes away.
Okay.
But I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist doing front flips.
Hit the first. People be like, you eat chicken tenders and dip sauce? I absolutely do. Hey guys, so I am in the house today. Honestly, I really contemplate if I was even gonna vlog today because yeah, I'm really not doing anything today. I just got a couple packages. Well, not even a couple, just one package that came. Matter of fact, I'll open it with you guys. Supposed to be going out this weekend with a couple of my friends for Galentine's Day weekend, and I ended up buying a little cute little pieces or whatever. If you guys saw, let me go to my room. If you guys saw my Harvey haul, I had this outfit in there and I was thinking about wearing that this weekend. Doesn't it look like somebody opened my freaking package? Like, damn, they just like threw my shit around. Oh, this is cute. I ordered this puffer jacket. I ordered mine in a size medium. Yeah. Oh, this material's a little bit different than what I thought. This is a material. Yeah, I'll do the medium. I feel like the small would have been a little bit, I just have like a little extra material in the arms, but that's cool. Like, I'm gonna be putting stuff under here, so I'm gonna need the room anyways. Yeah, this is cute. Cute, like they ain't changed up their little bags. Okay, they used to have them cheap little white bags that just tore so easily. Oh, these are those nude boots that I ordered. Oh, these look huge. Oh my god, these look freaking huge. And this is supposed to be nude. This looked like a pinkish nude. Let me see. They supposed to be nude. This is me like on my foot. This is me in the boot. On my regular feet, in the boot. I literally just grew like 2 inches. Y'all see them? Like, I don't know. I probably gotta see them with a whole fit, because right now they kind of throwing me off because they don't look as nude as I thought. What is this? Oh, I ordered this cute bag. This bag is so cute. This is the bag that I ordered. So it comes in this white and it also comes in black. So inside it does have the little chain that goes with it. Okay, so this is how the bag look with the hook. Damn, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back and get it in black. Yeah, I actually did a video on these already, and these are the Forever Mood candles. These I got Champagne Wasted. Ooh, it smells amazing. And I got Heartbreaker. This smells good too. Ooh, this smells so freaking good. I'm gonna wait until I move to burn these in my new place, because I really kind of, you know, like you just want to, you know, start off a new move, a fresh move with like a very positive beginning. And I really want to use these new candles to kind of just set the mood in my new place. Okay, so I'm about to make me something to eat because I am starving. I like to make these cores, cheddar broccoli rice pasta blend with cheddar blocky and cheesy whatever. Hey guys, what's up? Today is Friday and we are about to start getting ready for our Galentine's Day weekend. I'm fresh out the shower, you know what I'm saying? I've cleaned my house because I don't know about y'all, but it is so hard for me to get ready in a dirty house because I feel like I can't find shit. It's 1:13, so I actually need to start getting ready like at this very freaking moment. We're gonna go and of course get some food from a restaurant downtown. I've been to this restaurant when I went to Vegas. If you guys haven't seen my Vegas vlog, I'll put it around this one. Yeah, me and her, we're just gonna take some time, catch up, girl talk, like like, you know, sometimes you just need those friends that understand you the most. And I feel like she's one of those friends in my life that understand me the most. Like, I don't know what's this common misconception that in order for somebody to be considered a good friend, like you have to spend tons and tons and tons and tons of time with them. No, you don't. People have lives, people have families, you know what I'm saying, husband, children, other obligations. Like, I don't have time to be sitting up in my friend's face all day. Like, we could do that when we was, you know, in college, but you know, people are, you know, in their careers, running businesses, trying to start a business. Like, when I was in my teenage years, of course, like, you have so much time to spend with your friends because y'all don't have nothing else to do. But it's like when you become an adult, like, you have other obligations. Okay, so I am almost done with my makeup. I'm really not doing like too much. I mean, for me, this is not too much. And I plan to take Instagram pictures today. So yeah, probably like one in the inside of where we're going because yeah, this weather, it don't like this very much. This is what I'm looking like right now. That's what I have on. This is the Lori Harvey shirt, you guys. It was in my haul, and I'm gonna put on my gym shoes today. I'm looking real skinny. I'm looking real skinny, looking real snatched. Okay, so I'm trying to be shopping on a necklace or something, maybe a necklace or some, I don't know, I'll figure it out. And then this is my fragrance I'm gonna put on today. I'm gonna put on the Gucci Flora. I really love this one. I do have a fragrance video coming real soon, and I'll tell you guys all about my favorite fragrances. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray on my Gucci, and yeah, I smell really good. Bad bitch, smell like money. Okay. Let's see if she found the valet people. Is the valet people out there?
Pretty good, right?
Oh, so you got to park on the street? She probably gotta wait for her car to warm up. Okay, she should be here in 5 minutes.
Sure.
My friend.
Sure. You want to order anything right now?
I really want to just wait on her.
Wait on her? Okay.
Yeah, because I was this close. I was finna order without her.
Nothing wrong with that.
Okay. Finally made it. She had me here lonely for 15 minutes. Girl, these folks up here thinking like, girl, who this bitch waiting on?
Now this is cool.
But she made it. I'm so happy.
What happened with the reservation?
They bogus. First off, they took our reservation and moved it on their own accord to 145. You know how she found out? Sansaray called like, hey, we know inside opening back up. Could you guys move us inside?
Right.
They're like, oh, we moved your reservation to 145. She like, what?
What time was it initially?
3:45, same time. And then they was like, oh, we can't accommodate you inside neither. And I was like, so y'all change our reservation and y'all can't accommodate us inside neither?
Wait a minute. Okay. Why is the door? Why?
You said you were ready to order already?
Okay, I'm needing one now. Hello?
So, let me see if I want something different.
Probably.
I'm not gonna be ordering steak no whole weekend.
Okay, so yeah, I wanted to get to Maple Ash, but I remember you saying it was
booked. Okay, Maple and Ash was booked like the club.
TikTok video. This girl's like, every time she goes to Target, she be getting.
Did you see? It was a lady that did maternity pics for her dog. I was like, they was so doggone cute. I was
Like
cracking
the dog
up.
was pregnant.
Yes,
Girl.
the dog was legit pregnant. I was cracking up. It was the cutest thing though. I ain't gonna even lie.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This doesn't look like. This is my problem.
This is nice. We came in here for wine stoppers. She
now
got
we have-
some other. What you get? This is good, y'all. I got this. I have this too. The native deodorant. That's real good too. Girl, good stuff. I like. You ever tried they fake plants? They
No.
pretty decent.
You know, I
well, you
love
know you
some
got real
real
ones. Oh, I forgot you got the real deal. You know,
This is nice though.
$30. I can't give you a real plant though. I ain't
You
gonna even lie.
can. A real, but you can kill it. That's the difference. Once it's dead,
You can't bring it back to life.
I just killed one. It was only $7 though.
Dang.
I felt bad. I get too attached to mine.
Will you name them?
No, not yet.
Those are cute. Those are cute.
These are right.
Those are cute. Those are cute.
They kind of dying though. These ones.
Get those.
Yeah, right.
Wait, hold on. What about these right here? Did you look at these?
Get those.
No, I think those are the better ones. Are those the better? I think those are the better ones. I'm looking at them. No, I think those are the better ones.
Oh yeah, them look dead too.
Hey, what's up? So we are starting this vlog kind of late today. Yeah, I know I don't be ending my vlogs. I just be like, end the vlog, that's done with. Okay, so I am literally rushing, but I can't rush too much. It's kind of snowing out here, so I am on my way downtown again to meet up with one of my other friends for our Galentine's Day weekend. And yeah, you guys, I just had a really great time yesterday. You know how it is when you are with your friends. It's more so in the moment type of situation, and you just really want to enjoy it. You guys, I am going to try and get that Beyonce Ivy Park collection. You guys know how I get down. I'm gonna try to get it. I'll show you guys my outfit, but I basically have on like a 723 top. It was in my haul. Like seriously, a lot of the clothes I'm wearing are from my haul. I have so much new stuff that I have not been wearing, so it's like, you know, I'm going out, so I'm gonna try to wear this stuff, and that's basically what I've been doing. Just, you know, trying to get some use out of all these clothes I bought. You know,
Better night.
yeah, they want to give you another one.
Girl, I'm doing
Yeah, they kind of rubbing my friend the wrong way already before we even eat. I need a straw too. I gotta start putting my straw in my bag, my own straw that I be carrying. Yeah, well, I'm kind of white.
Look at this menu.
It's the lighting. Oh, it's me. Oh, yeah, I'm not that white. But yeah. So we're gonna order. Let's see what's on the menu. I think I'm going to do, I want a cocktail because I didn't do one yesterday.